Hi everyone, thank you for this 4 years here in YouTube. Back then, when I started here in YouTube, since I didn't know how to do, I said to myself that I can do blog only, but there are opportunities that I will share my talent through singing. So thanks God for that, and I wanna thanks God for bringing me here in YouTube world, and lots of friends who supported me, long friends, especially to these persons, Ma'am Rocky Mountain Rudy, yeah, and Nancy Praise to him, Sir Bruce Harvey, Rusty Bucket, Go Batman, and Kate Sam Jalis. They are the old friend. We're 3 years uh, friends here in YouTube. There are some friends left me, and some stay. So thank you so much for always supporting me. And we have a new friends here, especially Go Batman. I forgot. Go Batman is an old friend also. And I met Chinita Princess, and her channel is Lynn Corson when I met her. So then she she changed it in Chinita Princess. So and thanks also to her. She always beside me supporting my YouTube channel, especially always joining me in singing, and thanks to her, he she helped me to do this, and I knew you guys as I'm very happy to have you guys, especially I have a new friends. We are big family right now. So I didn't name you one by one, but in my heart I want to say thanks, especially to those always in my life. Mom Joyce, Carnivore Joyce, you're always here, and Massey McTavis, and I pray that you'll be okay, and you do share your blessings. God bless you more, Mom, and hopefully that you will be okay. Rose and Logan, thank you so much also, even though they are not always in my live stream, but they also supported me. And stars, and the community of stars, diamond painting UT, diamond painting QT, and I didn't memorize them. But I I know they are always supporting me. Yeah. Jen, Mom Jen, Palazzo Place, Budgies, Budgies also, and Pastor James, I miss him. Hope you'll be okay, Pastor James, and see you again in my life. Prayers for you, Pastor. I couldn't remember anything, but I remember I could not memorize you guys, but deep in my heart, I'm so happy that you always beside me, supporting my life, my videos. Yeah, yeah. Down the road, Sir DTR, I love your videos. Ma'am Susan, High Country, Homestead, and We Talk a Long Way Home. The two guys, they are cool. They are supporting, even they are not always, but I know. And God bless you both. We Talk a Long Way Home, and Retirement Days. Thank you so much for your support. Also, always you are always in my life. Home Loan, Rami Chan, or Rashu. They are a friend. Hardem, yeah, and thank you so much, guys. Sorry that I cannot remember you guys, but I know you know that I'm so very happy. Happy 4 years here in my YouTube channel, and hope many more years to come here in YouTube world, that we are uh, sharing, laughing, sharing anything. Sometimes we're crying, happy together, and we look forward to new friends here in YouTube that will connect each other. So see you in my live, and enjoy. God bless you all, and this is your friend again, Mark Channel. I'm always supporting you guys, especially to those need watch hours, so I will pay. Joanne also, Joanne Junction Journal, and thank you so much. And Precious Gems, I remember. Precious Gems, thank you so much. And Lady Janice, yeah. And Tita Marie, Tita Mayang. Ano? Tita Mayang ba yun? Tita Ching, yeah, my channel members also. And that's all. So, thanks once again. God bless you all and happy 4 years here in my YouTube channel. Bye bye. To God be the all the glory.